experts in developing, production, and quality management area. DYS dedicates to developing and producing the fiber optic cable, fiber optic passive, and FTTH products. We achieved the honorary title of National High-Tech Enterprise and Shenzhen High-Tech Enterprise. Also, we obtained ISO 9001 Management Certificate, CPR, and UL Certificate. With years of experiences in the fiber optics industry, our factory is fully equipped, 5,000 square meters, and 23 non-dust production lines. 148 well-trained staff and engineers are contributing to our proud products. In 2018, we established the Reliability Testing Laboratory, where we can do high-low temperature circulating test, cable tensile test, automatic insertion force test, and others to ensure the product's performance. We own the most advanced production and testing equipment, enable our products have super quality, such as Senko polishing machine, Dimension interferometer, JGR multi-channel tester, Dimension automatic cleaning machine, and Noyes OTDR. Our products have been widely used in over 50 countries, such as USA, Canada, Australia, Spain, Argentina, Russia, and South Africa. Our satisfied quality products and outstanding service win the customer from all the world. DYS Fiber Optic is looking forward to cooperate with you.